Hello friends, today's video, I am going to show you how to hide your Snapchat story from any specific person. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open Snapchat and tap on top left profile icon. Now you have to again tap on top right settings icon. From here, you have to scroll down and tap on View My Story. Now tap on Custom and select any specific person, the one you want to block. You can also select multiple friends. Now tap on Block. In this way, you can block any specific person who cannot view your story.